The next one is pretty simple. It says that reverse a string using stack data structure. So if you're given as an example win, it should be NIW. So meaning that if it's any type of string, we just need to read it the opposite direction. Without any further ado, open your IDE, open the right project, go to the right package, right click, say Java, new class, and then we'll call it what? Reverse string using stack. So if that is the case, then we can have our method here named, okay, it's going to be public, and then we're going to return a reverse string, and then we'll just name it reverse, right? And then this method will take in the string as character, and then yeah. So the question requires that we use the stack data structure. So let's just go ahead and do that. It's going to be a stack of characters. I'll just call it character stack is equals to new stack. So what we need to do is we need to push everything in from the string and push it into the character stack. So we'll say to character array, and then this will allow us to push each and every character in there, right? So now that we have all the characters in there, we can have our character array. I'll just call it chars is equals to new characters, which takes the length of the string as the size. And then what we need to do is we can do it this way. There's many ways of doing this. This is just one of those ways. So while the stack is not empty, because we believe at this point we'll have characters in there. So while it is not empty, what we need to do now is we need to perform our reversal here. So we'll have the characters array at I plus plus, just a shortcut. And then we'll do character stack, and then this is where the trick is. We'll pop, and we know that the stack data structure follows the last in first out principle. So the last one that was inserted will be the first one to be popped out. So in that way, it will allow us to do a simple reversal. And then now we need to return, but the return type here is string. So you can see characters, but we need to convert this to a string. So we'll go ahead and say string.value of, or you can just call the strings character. I'll just do this for now. So it's going to be value of characters there. Sorry about that. So it's characters. And then, so this way, we'll be able to get a reversed string. Let's just test out our code quickly in the main method. And then what we'll do is we'll call the reverse method, reverse, and then we'll pass it. Yeah, but can you even pass it the width? Let's just start with width. Okay, it's complaining because I'm calling it within a stated context. So yeah, so it should be able to see it now. If you run this according to the example that we've been given, we do get that. And then I'll just say reverse, it should start from ES R E V E R. So let me just try it out. It should start with S, yep, with the E and then S, and so on and so forth. So it works as expected.